In Unani system of medicine, stomach is considered as mother of diseases. So my preparation, that is nabis or arisht, is to improve digestion and remove metabolic waste. While keeping its health benefits in mind, I am going to prepare a liquid diet which is so easy and affordable that everyone can adopt it in day-to-day life as digestive or detox drink. It needs only one ingredient, that is either raisin or dates, and I am going to prepare both the types of nabis. The recipe goes on like this. To prepare nabis, we need only one ingredient, dates or raisin. For first recipe of nabis, take 500 ml of water and 10 to 12 dates. Here I am using ajwa khajur. We can use any kind of khajur as each one has more or less similar constituents. Now soak the date in water and leave it for approximately 12 to 16 hours. Close the lid carefully. 12 to 16 hours, not more than 2 days, because after that it starts to ferment, and this drink is non-alcoholic drink, so we need to prevent fermentation. After 14 hours, it would look like this. Now we are going to strain the liquid. There's two components. First one is liquid and second one is softened fruit. Both has its own benefit and nutrient, and we can use it separately after straining it. Idea behind soaking the date in water is so that they sweeten the water and become softened. Softened dates release their vitamins and minerals more easily and are easier to digest. So we can use it both separately, or we can use it as a shake in form of shake after grinding or mixing it. Now nabis is ready. Similarly, we can also prepare nabis with raisins, which is easily available and cost effective. Again, I will repeat the same process. After 14 hours, it would look like this. Now strain it, and the strained liquid is known as nabis. Now this strained liquid is known as nabis. You can use it as a separate, as the tradition says, or you can also blend the water and soaked fruit with some almonds and use it as a shake or cold beverages. This is the shake that is prepared after blending it, which is quite tasty and healthy. Now we are going to discuss the health benefits of nabis. It removes acidity, so it is good alkalizing tonic. It also improves digestion as it's high in soluble fibers. Also removes metabolic waste, and therefore it is helpful in management of arthritis and gout. It improves memory, and it is beneficial for many organs, like it is beneficial for prostate and beneficial for chest organs, beneficial for liver and spleen. Thank you.